All right, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Qing Madi, and she is our favorite psycho. That's the title of the song. This is a very quick one. We have 4 chords that it goes in the same way through the entire song. And yeah, a great song, by the way. She does this collab with a color show. So they normally have great artists and great songs, and this is not an exception here. So let's go into it. So the setup, you will see that is with the K-ball on the 4th. That is the best scenario for us. And with that, we're going to learn the 4 chords. So let's start with B minor. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret and you push down all strings except from the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 4th fret on D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Next chord is the A, and it goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have the G next, and that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, open B, and 3rd E. And then the final chord will be E minor, and that goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And that, my friends, is the order of this chord progression. Through the entire song, we're going to play like that. So let's learn the strumming, and we'll start with the B minor. So grab that chord first, and one string around goes like this. Down, down, up, clap, down. Okay? Down, down, up, clap, down. There you have a couple string rounds and the rhythm. And what you're going to do now is to play 1 string round per chord in the same order we learned them. So B minor 1, A1, G1, E minor 1, from the beginning till the very end, like this. And there you have it, guys. Favorite cycle. Good luck with this one. Until next time, play tuned.